Hello, my name is Zac Nelson from Pico. I lead our integrations team, and today I want to talk about a new integration that we have. You might be familiar with our device library, which includes many tools like printers, barcode scanners, torque tools. But we also integrate with a variety of complex equipment like PLCs, SCADA networks, and even robotics. In this case, we have a customer that wanted to bring in new automation to their factory, but that automation through robotics needed to be paired with an operator so that the two could be kept in sync. With Pico, with our connected digital work instructions, we allow for an operator and a robot to work hand in hand to complete various operations, all while providing error-proofing and full data traceability. And so in this case, we are integrating with a FANUC cobot as one of the many integrations in our device library over a protocol called Modbus. With this integration, we are able to set up and read various data addresses within the cobot's memory to then command and control the robot so that it can interact with the operator in a digital connected work instructions. So in this case, we have a very simple process in which a robot is providing parts to an operator who is then confirming completion of a sequence of steps, and then the robot is moving out of position. And in this process, there are a few beginning steps in which the robot is being programmed and initialized. We are then commanding, much like a torque tool or another connected piece of equipment, commanding a specific program that the robot should be running. We then wait for the robot to get into position. The operator confirms that they were able to interact with the robot as needed for the process. And then we acknowledge and send the robot back to its home position. With this integration, we're able to bring together traceability and error proofing, not only with simple equipment like calipers and torque tools, but also with very specialized equipment like the FANUC cobot. If you're interested to learn more about the various tools that we integrate on the shop floor, please reach out to us on picomes.com.